Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog at. Yes, today is Navaratri day of dark blue, so I'm wearing kurta dark blue. Might go today to see Garba Dandiya. Might, that's why I said might. But right now the weather is so cold outside, it looks like it is raining. I don't saying no, but it looks like as if it's somewhere around rainy season only in July. Aarti is making French toast and let me make myself a cup of coffee and let's start the day. So from school, I have come on the bike, dropped Tyre, did my school work, did some other official work. And since I've got home, I have just picked this guy up. Hi Ishan! Hi! So we have come to Chaudhary. Aarti has gone to buy something for tomorrow's event. Some things here and there, and some painting work she has. So let's do that. What else we have? I have no idea. But yes, but for today, I'm going to one of my friend's place to change my tires of my car. It's been going right now. The kilometer is somewhere around 70k. So usually a tire runs around 50,000. I've run to 70,000. So yes, good. But that's how you should drive, right, and good tires to maintain anything like that. For now, these guys will scream. He just started with his vocals. Can you see that bird in black? That's there, right over there for quite a long time. I'm gonna start the car and it's gonna fly off. So let me just record it first. Wow, just a baby bird. It looks so beautiful. Currently it's afternoon time. Just finished with my lunch and just dressed up, and now I'm going to meet my friend. He has a shop which we went some 2-3 months back. Yes, 2-3 months back we had been to his place to change my tire. I just changed my 2 tires and I'm changing the next 2 tires right now. And that bird was there, he's still there. Let's go. The weather is so hot outside. I don't know what's happening. It's hot, it's cold, so much of fluctuation from morning. And it's so difficult. The bird just flew away. Yeah, the bird just flew away. I made the car noise, so it just flew away. So I was saying a lot of like so hot, cold. I know Anish is not well because he got a throat, like he's coughing a lot. He's not meeting because I have Ishan with me. He also has a child, Rayanj, so he won't. He's just taking care of things like that. So right now I have just called up my friend. I'm coming. So off we go and let's do the changes and let's meet. Let's have some nice chai, pani, snacks. Let's go. Just on top, playing with Ishan and his toys. Actually, not playing with Ishan's toys, playing Ira's toys. And so, what did I do? I went to my friend's place. You must have seen. Change the tire, all done. And this guy is just. What is this? He's just. He's in a very good mood, I guess, to play. Let us see what he has to say. She. Masti. I am with Ishan and playing around and vlogging. He loves vlog. He likes to see me and himself when it is on a big screen. He admires me. Oh yes. So we are playing horse. This is Ira's toy. And yeah, I know. What Ira calls it? He has some other name. So yes, we are late right now. It's super late, 10 o'clock. Not very late, but yeah, time to put him to sleep. Any which ways, guys. You have a nice day. Just want to say good night and ciao ciao.